spectacular victory of Chandrayaan-3 is an epoch-making moment in the history of India and universe as a whole. We have become now fourth country that is successfully reaching moon, and in this auspicious moment of victory, I am congratulating the team behind it, and at the same time the effort made by our Prime Minister, our experts in the field, and ISRO, especially its scientists and its chairman team. I am congratulating everybody and praying our country would reach shortly the Bishop Guru of the world for development, peace and scientific yatra should be reached and to achieve its goal fully. Thank you very much.